welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the new videos. So let's continue where we left off this fall with the SL project. So I often get the question, how do I know the pinout for the lights I do? And even though these are a straight swap, there's no difference on the before facelift and the facelift one. And I changed these because of the amber turn signals. I'll show you anyway how I do this. I'll just take a 12 volt amp here, and here's the connector. I add the ground. To the ground pin here. And then I just try every pin to see what they do. Like this. And then I write it down. And luckily for the SL, these are just plug and play. Only the connector itself is a little bit different, so you just change the connector and plug it in. So it's way easier to remove the bumper if you remove the taillights. You can remove it without removing the taillights, but it sure is easier to not snap any clips under here if you remove the taillight. So how do we remove the taillight then? It's actually pretty easy. You first remove this one on both sides. Then we remove this one that sits here. And then the taillight actually only sits with one screw from behind here. Then it just snaps out. Just sits with this one. And then it just pops out. It only sits with two clips, like one here and one here. And now, as you can see, you get to the clips much easier. Everything on the rear bumper has been installed, and it's a lot of more things than you might think it is. That one in place. And now for these. So finally they have arrived. After waiting 4 months for our own designed CKM wheels, we can now go down and get some rubber on them and put them on the cars. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.